guys, it's word study time again, and we're going to continue with past tense verbs, and specifically we're going to continue with what we started yesterday, talking about the sounds of ED. And yesterday when we met, we said ED has 3 sounds. That's right, 3 different sounds. We said ED can say d, ED can say ed, and ED can say t. All right, so yesterday you did some work for it, and today we're going to do a quick little review and send you on your merry way to work on some more work. And so let's get started. Let's look at our board. I don't know why. There we go. Sounds of ED. Sounds of ED. Let's start with our first column. Read my words as I write them on the board. Planned, cared, oops, you barely can see it, I'm so sorry, cared, and grabbed. Now, I want you to think about, knowing we're talking about the sounds of ED, what would be a good heading for that column? Shout it out. That's right, it would be d, because all of those words say d. There we go. What about these words? Say the word, read the word, walked. Oh my camera's getting so sad today. Walked. Hopped. Read the word. All right, chased. So what would be a good heading for this column? That's right. We could call this column t, because all of those words make the ED says t. And I bet you can predict, make a very educated guess, we'll call that some inferencing, trying to pick out a good color, for our final column. Read the word once I have it written. Shout it out. Wanted. What's that one? Planted. And finally, shout it out. Counted. Very good. What would be a good heading for this column? Go ahead and say it out loud. Very good. It would be ed. ED says ed. So here we have the 3 sounds of ED. D, t, ed. D, t, ed. All right, can you think of any other words we could add to any of these columns? Take a moment and come up with one word I could add to each column. I have Annabelle with me today. Annabelle, can you think of a word I could add to any of our columns?
Kicked.
Kicked. Ooh, where would that go, friends? Kicked. That's right, I hear t at the end, so we will put it here. Can you think of any other words, Annabelle?
Dodged.
Dodged. Ooh, that's a tricky one. Yeah. Oh, that's a perfect example, Annabelle. Okay, I'm going to turn the camera back to me. Sometimes we can't tell if the word is saying t or d. Listen to dodged. It depends on how we say it, okay? So I want you to think about, put your finger on your throat, and I want you to say walked. Walked. Feel what happened in your throat. Now I want you to say planned. Planned. Walked. Planned. Walked. Planned. Do you see anything? When the word ends with d, your voice kind of vibrates. Say it again. Planned. You can feel it vibrate. Say walked. There was no vibration, right? Try it again. Planned. Planned. Walked. There's nothing there. So let's say dodged. 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 Do you feel anything? So where would it go? Where would it go, guys? If you don't feel it, dodged. Actually, I do feel it. Hold on, let me try again. Dodged. Oh, it would go under D. Dodged. Dodged. Very good. So remember that little trick. If you're not sure, put your hand there gently. You don't have to push on it so you choke yourself. Just gentle. Say dodged or walked. Feel it? Nothing. Dodged. Yep, I feel that little slight vibration. All right. And does anybody have anything for the last column? Annabelle, can you think of another one?
Painted.
Painted. Very good. We can put painted here. Painted. Yep. There you go. So those are some words for each column. Remember the little trick you learned today about deciding to say d or t, that feel in your throat. And you're going to go back to our e-learning day assignments and see what your assignment is for the day, okay? Thanks for joining me.